From Wish TV and the All Indiana Podcast Network, this is the Business, Equity, and Opportunities Podcast with Scott Sander.
Welcome to the Business, Equity, and Opportunities Podcast. I'm Scott Sander. On this episode, Indiana Society of CPAs is joining forces with the National Association of Black Accountants to create more opportunities for training and to help fill talent shortages in accounting and finance. COURTNEY KINCAID shares details.
Every business is unique and has a target audience. If you own or manage a business, Circulus Digital Media can help you connect and grow your customer base with turnkey digital solutions that are nimble, offering best-in-class results, service, and support to reach a bigger customer base, allowing you to pinpoint a specific audience down to the smallest details. Get outside the city, the state, span the globe. Put Circulus Digital Media to work for you. Get started now at circulusdigital.com. That's circulusdigital.com. This is Business, Equity, and Opportunities, Accounting and Bookkeeping.
We're really excited about a new partnership that we just recently launched at the end of 2024 with NABA Inc., which was formerly the National Association of Black Accountants, a national organization, but with programming between the Indiana CPA Society and NABA focused on Indiana specifically. So as part of this collaboration, NABA has established an office here in Indianapolis and sharing some office space with us so that we can really look at addressing the talent pipeline and workforce development issues for the accounting and CPA profession. This is obviously, as Indiana CPA Society, something that we have been focused on for a number of years, but are excited about the opportunity to partner with NABA to really bring programming that they have in other states to Indianapolis and surrounding areas that expose students to the profession and expose students from backgrounds that we have traditionally had difficulty attracting. And so when we think about what's really going to change the workforce and get us the talent that we need, it's really just exposure to the profession. And so the ACAP program, which is Accounting Careers Awareness Program, is housed on college campuses and gives high school students a week-long in-depth look at the profession to dispel myths. And so bringing that program here, we're hoping at 2 or 3 universities this summer. Additionally, I've spoken before on this program about our Scholars Program. We currently have about 25 students annually go through that program. 65% of those students end up going into college and then majoring in business-related categories. And so we're really excited about the opportunity to scale that program through this initiative as well. Connect Diane really has 4 objectives, and they begin at the high school level and looking at high school completion and making sure that we are increasing graduation rates among Hoosier students, making sure we're getting them to college or getting them college ready, whether that is at a 2-year institution or a traditional 4-year institution, getting them then to graduate, and then getting them to work and become leaders in their organization. And so we look at it as a pathway, and each step being a really critical point in producing a workforce that supports Indiana businesses and supports the financial success of the state. Part of our work in Connect In is really about dispelling myths surrounding the profession. When we look at research and what we think of as barriers to attracting talent, it is these common misperceptions. And it's both from the perspective of students, but it's also misperceptions among the business community, right? That a CPA is equal to an MBA. And, you know, we really fundamentally believe that being a CPA is a different thing than having your MBA, and a stronger focus on a core curriculum that would provide success in the financial vertical of Indiana businesses. So a number of students who graduate go that traditional pathway and might work for a small firm, a large firm, but several work directly for companies here in Indiana as the CFO eventually, and fill really important roles where we think it's important that students know that, but we also think it's important that employers know that they have a certain competency and that they look for that competency in the financial arena.
Our thanks again to all the contributors who joined us for this episode of the Business Equity and Opportunities podcast. We hope you found it enlightening, useful, and inspiring. You'll find more information about the show on our website, BEOshow.com. You can watch Business Equity and Opportunities Sunday mornings at 10 on Wish TV or live stream it through wishtv.com. Each week we provide 7 full segments with topics ranging from how to get started and how to access capital to the day-to-day running of your business and questions about accounting and bookkeeping. We feature business news and trends and always share a success story from one of our contributors. Join us next time for more insights into the world of small business. Be sure to sign up for our Business Equity and Opportunities newsletter to get even more valuable, up-to-date information. And if you have any questions or you'd like to be part of our show, please email us. The address is beo@wishtv.com. We'd love to hear from you. I'm Scott Sander. Thanks for listening.
Watch the Business Equity and Opportunities show on Wish TV and access all of our content and share it on demand anytime at beoshow.com. You can find more podcasts from Wish TV on the All Indiana Podcast Network at allindianapodcastnetwork.com.